If you want to start using the paid version of Cart, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discounts available. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of space between containers in Cart. So as you can see here, we have a space between my containers, and in able to get rid the space in it, you'll have to avail their Pro plan because it needs to be a custom code. Some versions of card can be through adjusting the padding and margins to get rid of space, but in this case, as you can see, it doesn't work. Now click the settings icon and you will see here the elements, and here, assuming you already avail the card plan pro, you'll be able to access the classes, which you can add a custom code in removing the space between the containers in card. And that's it. That's how you get rid the space between containers in card. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.